In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to copy multiple choice questions from MS Word. If you've got a set of multiple choice questions sitting in a Word document and you want them in Microsoft Forms without retyping everything, this walkthrough will save you time and help you avoid formatting headaches. We'll start in Word. Make sure every question is clearly numbered on its own line, followed by its answer choices on separate lines, each one starting with a letter. For example, use something like 1 for the question, then A, B, C, and D for the options. Consistency is key here. Keep the lettering style the same for all questions. Don't mix Roman numerals or dashes, and avoid putting extra text or blank lines between an answer choice and the next question. If you have long questions, that's fine. Just keep them as a single numbered block. When everything looks neat, save the file as a standard Word document so it's ready to import. Next, open Microsoft Forms in your browser. From the landing page, look for the option called Quick Import. This is the feature that reads your document and converts the numbered questions and lettered answers into multiple choice items automatically. Click Quick Import, then choose Upload from this device. In the file picker, select the Word file you just saved. After the upload, you'll be prompted to choose what you're creating. Select Quiz to convert the document. Choosing Quiz tells Microsoft Forms to treat each item as a question with choices, and it unlocks quiz-specific features like points and correct answers that you can fine-tune later. Even if you're not grading yet, picking quiz ensures the best structure for multiple choice imports. When the conversion completes, choose Start Review. This step is important because small inconsistencies in your Word formatting can affect how questions and options appear. Scan each imported question to confirm the full text came through, that the choices are in the right order, and that no answers were merged together. If you see a choice split across lines, combine it into a single option. If punctuation was dropped or spacing looks off, clean it up now. Also watch for any extra line breaks or leftover numbering that snuck into the answer text. You can edit those fields directly in Forms. Once you've reviewed all the items and made any minor adjustments, your multiple choice questions are ready to go in Microsoft Forms. That's all there is to it. Format and save in Word. Go to Microsoft Forms, use Quick Import, upload from your device, select Quiz, and review the results for a clean, accurate conversion.